Hello, and welcome to Chemistry. My name is Adam Lundquist, and I have taught chemistry since 2009. If you're watching this video, your child is most likely in my class. I thought it would be a good idea to give you some pointers to aid your child as we work together to ensure their success in one of the most difficult courses in high school. To stay up to date on the latest information in this class, please text the phone number 81010, the message @chemistMHS. I will use this mass texting system to text out reminders of important dates and information. You can always contact me via email at adamlundquist@nn.k12.va.us. This course has 5 parts: classwork, homework, labs, quizzes, and tests, each with varying weights. Each unit I will provide your child with a unit packet. This contains all the notes, classwork, and note quiz questions. The notes follow the PowerPoint used in the class, which you may review online at lundquistlabs.com. Periodically during the lecture, I will put up released SOL questions, which your child answers on a half sheet of paper. These are known as note quiz questions. They are meant to keep your child engaged during lecture and provide feedback to me on their progress through the course. These are not actual quizzes, as they count only as classwork grades. If your child has an excused absence, they will be exempt from the note quizzes for that day. These questions, again, are at the back of the unit packet. Each day that I lecture, there are 5 multiple choice questions that correspond to that lesson. These are found in your child's marking period homework packet. Your child can do these questions as many times as they like until the day of the test, which is when they are graded. Students who have the greatest success in this course do the 5 questions each time they have this class and come to check with me when they return to class the following day. I will look over it for them and inform them of any that they miss. They can then correct those questions and try them again. This process continues till the day of the test. If you're unsatisfied with your student's test performance, I recommend asking to see their homework prior to the test. Quizzes are based off of the lab for that unit, and all are free responses. The answer to Part A is used in Part B, and the answer there is used later as well. However, if your child misses Part A, I will follow their mistake. So long as they use their answer to A correctly in Part B, they can still earn full credit. Additionally, before the quiz, I will text out what each question is asking for. This way, your child will know what they need to study and be able to do before they take the quiz. Tests are the culmination of all the other parts of this course. There are 25 multiple choice questions and 1 free response. The multiple choice question is a direct reflection of the homework. So when the homework says which of these is, the test will say which of these isn't. The free response is taken from the quizzes and is in the same format. In this class, I do not hold your child to a 100% standard, where they must get every question right for 100. Instead, I hold them to a benchmark, that being a pass advanced on the standardized test or a qualifying score on the AP exam. For those marks, a student needs to correctly answer 85% of multiple choice questions and earn 60% of free response points. Therefore, it is entirely possible for your child to earn over 100 on a test or quiz. The only catch here is that scores are capped at 125%. If you see in the gradebook your child earning 125 on an assignment, it means they have exceeded my expectations and most likely surpassed the grade cap. An additional note for you as parents is how to read my gradebook. For any assignment that your child is missing or needs to make up, I will put in a 0.1 in the numerator. If you see any empty spaces in the gradebook, your child is either exempt from that assignment or I have not completed grading it. Lastly, many of the classwork grades are graded on completion, meaning your child needed only finish the work to earn a 100. These grades will be shown as a 1 out of 1 in the gradebook. Thank you for taking the time to ensure your child's success in this course. If you have any further questions, please contact me at adam.lundquist@nn.k12.va.us.